Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is heed. It is pronounced heed and it is spelled H-E-E-D. Think he and then E-D at the end. Heed means to pay attention or to take notice of something. For example, you could say he should have heeded the warnings of his father. Heed comes from the Old English word heeden, meaning to observe or to take care. Heed today means the same thing. However, it is usually used to refer to observing or listening to someone's advice or suggestion. In Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, when Harry enters Gringotts, the wizarding bank, he reads a poem written in stone above the door. The poem warns people of the consequences of stealing from the bank and encourages them to take heed of this warning. The poem reads, "Enter, stranger, but take heed of what awaits the sin of greed. For those who take but do not earn must pay most dearly in their turn. So if you seek beneath our floors a treasure that was never yours, thief, you have been warned. Beware of finding more than treasure there." Heed is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, since he is a swimming champion, I will heed his advice on refining my stroke. Heed can also be used as a noun, meaning careful attention. It is usually used in the expression take heed, meaning to pay careful attention to something. For example, we must take heed of the warnings of icy conditions. Heed is defined in the dictionary as to pay attention to something, especially advice or warning. Heed synonyms include hear, listen, obey, observe, pay attention to, note, and follow. Antonyms include disregard, ignore, discount, forget, overlook, and dismiss. Try to take heed of the advice of your friends and family today. You could reply to them by saying you will heed their words. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.